Okay. Is the block clear now? We're chilling?
I left him.
Yo, everyone, guy, did you hear that? My brother, did you hear the farting noise? What was that? I thought somebody just farted on me.
Not.
Bro, dead ass. I think somebody just.
I did not hear anyone farting.
Yeah, so I think there's somebody.
Nah.
Nah.
This guy acts always fucking farts and makes sure everybody fucking hears it. It's fucking weird. He's got a fart kink. I'm serious.
Who?
You
boy?
always fucking fart
Guys,
on purpose,
I'm not
bitch.
joking. I heard a farting so loud it broke my eardrums, man. Somebody farted on my face,
Your
man.
fucking pants then, motherfucker.
Is
shit
there's a
your
black car
pants.
near the gas station?
Do you have a spare roll of toilet
I
paper?
did not shit myself, man. I promise. Somebody farted on me, motherfucker. I'm not joking.
How wet was it?
How the fuck you get farted on and not notice, bruh?
I'm in the camera. I'm zooming in.
Bro, there's no one
You're in
up
the
here.
camera. Camera.
Bro,
Nice.
no one's
telling
come up
me
the elevator.
you tell me someone farted on your face,
Yes.
and before
Yes.
you could even fucking turn around, they disappeared.
Yes, they did. I
Guys,
promise,
guys,
100%.
we got
Nah,
war or
bro,
something?
you shit your
I
pants,
have
bro.
the footage. I have the footage. You want to hear the footage? I'll send you footage. You copy?
Okay, do it. No balls.
Okay, I'll send you a copy then. Check the bit. I'm allowed because it's on camera.
Wait,
Marty,
no.
I sent it to you. I sent it to you.
Larry.
Look at it. I emailed it to you.
Bro, this guy shitted his pants.
It's not me. What are you talking about, man? You can, dude.
Where are we meeting? Where are we meeting?
Wait, what did it sound like really wet?
Like,
Yeah, it was gross.
it
I
was,
think I know what's
Oh,
going
that
on.
was wet as fuck, I'm telling you. What the hell?
it's not me.
Chocolate, bro?
That was you.
What?
Came straight under your ass, man. What the fuck?
I literally, bro, you could literally hear it coming from your fucking asshole in the video.
Boy, that is most definitely you.
Actually, a bunch of morons on my squad, man. Deadass.
You.
That's kinda cooked.